In my last video, I talked about how a free drone project led to a $15,000 job. This is the story of how that happened, why they were happy to pay it, and how it almost didn't happen because I didn't know yet, but my free ortho map was about to save this developer over $80,000. A large local developer originally called me and asked if I could do a time lapse for them. I said absolutely. But honestly, at that point, I didn't really know what their goal was. The more we talked, the more I realized they weren't looking for some creative hyperlapse of construction or traffic moving through the area. That's not what they needed. They were trying to answer a very specific high-stakes question. Do we need to build a multi-million-dollar parking garage here? They needed to understand traffic flow during major events at their new sports arena, not visually for a marketing reel, but analytically for a board meeting. So instead of talking about video, I showed them something else. I pulled up the orthomosaic map I had created at our local amphitheater, the one from my last video that I did for free. I felt like I was showing off baby pictures. But once they saw the detail in that map, the light bulb finally went off for them. They realized they didn't need a video, they needed a count. And I explained it like this. It's basically an on-demand satellite photo, but instead of waiting months or years for Google Earth to update, I can create one whenever you need it. And more importantly, I can do it multiple times throughout the day. Now, instead of guessing, they could look at a map and literally count every car, identify exactly where empty spaces were, track where the congestion was hitting a bottleneck. They could analyze the volume of cars versus parking in real time. After they accepted the proposal, they told me they were pretty glad we came up with this solution because the parking camera system they were looking at was over $100,000. Knowing that a little earlier might have changed my pricing strategy. We ended up mapping about 300 acres at this mixed-use property. We didn't just fly it once. We mapped the entire site 4 different times during every single game across 15 different events. Now, doing this once is easy. Doing it 60 times with total accuracy, that's where the magic actually happens. And this is the part people don't always see. This wasn't flashy flying. This was consistency. Same flight paths, same altitudes, same timing, over and over again. Because the value wasn't in the drone, it was in the consistency of the data. And that project came out to about $15,000 from something that started as a simple, can you do a time-lapse call? And it all goes back to that first free project. That's where I learned how to build the map, how to explain it, and how to show someone why it matters. That's really the lesson here. You're not just flying a drone, you're solving a problem. Sometimes the job isn't what the client asked for, it's what they actually need. And when you can make that shift, that's when this turns into a real business. I'm Steve with Drone Services of Kansas City. If you're getting something out of these videos, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.